This was a environment in which we created photorealistic yet fun-looking animals in their natural habitat, and we allow guests to come in and interact with them.
We used a program called Unreal, which is a 3D engine which runs the physics and the interactions and everything about the project. It brings all the art together and creates the way that the user will interact with the project. We used two Kinects on this project, which is a motion tracking device from Microsoft.
We had one Kinect on top, which tracks more or less adults or anyone in the background, and then a Kinect at the bottom to track little ones.
We have 7 different gestures that will trigger reactions in the animals. We tried to think of a gesture that someone would likely do when they walk up to our exhibit.
You could wave, you could raise your arms up, you could do like a swimming motion, you could jump, spin around, and every one of those actions will cause the animals on screen to react to you in a different way.
I did a lot of the base structure for each animal and its behaviors and movements. That's where we applied all of the physics and mechanics to really get these things to move and wander around their environments as if they were real.
It was a big challenge to get there and a lot of pushing the developers and animators along the way to get there, but we got it.